Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So I have a really exciting collab video today. Hubman and Chubgirl very kindly reached out to me and sent me their plant advent calendar. They do an advent calendar every Christmas, and their 2025 Christmas one is currently being released. It has like a Christmas post theme. But yes, they also have advent calendars that are not Christmas themed. And in the past, I have shared an unboxing for their Be Positive one. I'll link that below if you haven't seen it. I'll link every advent I've unboxed so far from Hubman and Chubgirl down below if you're interested in checking them all out and seeing the sort of things that come in the boxes. But yes, today we're going to be doing the plant one, which is another general theme rather than Christmas. And this is the Freebie. How adorable is he? He's going straight on my shelf. The only type of plant that I can look after. I am not green fingered at all. It says keep growing plant plush, and on the back it says keep growing Hubman and Chubgirl, and they have like a bit of card or something in the bottom, which is really cool because it means it'll stand up. So yeah, I'm going to pop him up on my shelf now. But that is the Freebie, but everything I show from now on obviously is going to be a spoiler. I'm going to unbox everything in the whole box. So if you've ordered the plant advent or you're thinking of ordering it but you would rather not have it spoiled, then obviously don't watch this video. But anyway, I'll put my link below. If you've never used my code, you can get some money off. Again, I'll leave all that information down below. But without any further ado, let's get started. The other ones had drawers, but this one is a box full of stuff that's all just put inside it like this. So we don't have drawers to open, we simply have boxes to unbox. So I'm just going to set this to the side. Anyway, here's number one, and everything has personalised packaging with the theme. The quality is always really great. And it is my favourite, die cut stickers. So that's the first one. The die cuts always come in a packet of 5. Ooh, that's a gorgeous colour. I love purple and green together, so this whole theme's right up my street. Look at that one, that's unique. I don't think I've ever seen one that length. One of their die cut stickers. Very nice. Number 2, this little box with a plant scene on the front. Believe in yourself. Love a good pun. Ooh, it is a little weekly pad, and I've actually got one of these on my desk. It's got like a leopard print on it, and I've nearly ran out, like my work desk, and you seem to get a good lot of it. So, like I said, it's a memo pad of notes, weekly planner. You can put the date of the week in a little to-do list for yourself, and then a general to-do list for anything that doesn't have to be done on a specific day. This is like Christmas come early, or I suppose my birthday come early. My birthday's the 30th of September. I could say that I could have waited until my birthday to open it, but nah, I would never have that kind of patience. Anyway, number 3, this is the box it comes in. Oh, it's a little stamp set. It's the first time I've ever got stamps, don't think. No, yeah, there definitely hasn't been stamps in any of the other advents. I don't remember them ever selling stamps before. Maybe they did before I discovered them, I don't know. So it's from Crystal Craft ink pad for fabric, wood and paper. And it's black by the looks of it. Clear style stamp. But instead of them being free and stuck on a sheet, they're stuck on a little wooden block. Let's try this little leaf. Very handy for little accents. Ooh, I don't have the best practice with stamping, to be honest. It's not some. Oh, that's much better. I pushed way too hard. Yes, it's not something I do very often. It's 3 leaves. It's 2 hanging plants. And you could stamp them, let it dry and colour them in. Right, moving on, number 4. And number 4 is washi. I love the purple stripes on this one, with the little cacti at the bottom. I use a Hubman and Chubgirl journal for swatching. Okay, so the first one is a 10mm and it's Happy Vines. It is a plain white background and a little vine running all along it. So handy to go with lots of different things. And then we have Happy Leaves, which is another 10mm, and that's what it looks like. This is gorgeous. It's all monochrome, different shades of green, with a gingham pattern in the background, and the outline of the leaves is silver. Really pretty. And then the last one that was in the box is Happy Plant Shop, and it's a 20mm, which they don't do very often. That is awesome. Can't wait to do a wee journal spread with this. It's like the wall of a plant shop with windows in the background and lots of different potted plants, both sitting on the ground, in little stands and hanging. Really gorgeous. Number 5 is in a larger box. Little leaves along the edge and it's green. Ooh! Oh, it's one of those standing pencil cases. That is gorgeous. Love the colours. So the zip part is green, the actual zip is silver. And then this is buttons to the side, which you can unbutton it if you want to. But basically, you are able to pull, and it's done the way that like the plant grows, which is really clever. Like that, you pull it up or push it down. But when you put stuff in it, so you have it like this, all zipped up with the tombos in it, and then what you do is you open it and push this down, and then it becomes a little standing pencil case on your desk that you can lift your tombos in and out of. Or whatever, it doesn't have to be tombos, but I'm just showing you it fits tombos because they're quite long. And honestly, I would display that too on my shelves behind me. Anyway, what number are we on? 6. Number 6. So this is a pink background with white leaves, a plant pot, not plant plot. And we have, a shaker charm. And it's done like a little plant shop with bee leaf. So it's acrylic and inside it has little leaves that shake about, which is why it's a shaker charm. And the little plant is winking on the front. It's like inside a plant shop, and in the back it says belief in yourself. Number 7, I wonder if this is a journal. It has to be, given the size and shape of the box. With the little plants on the outside again. Oh, no, it's not. It is a binder. That is gorgeous. I have quite the collection of these little binders, but I use every single one of them. I've been collecting ones that are seasonal. I want to have 2 for each season, but I also like to have ones like this that aren't related to a season, that I can have kits like stationery or plant that can be used at any time of the year, basically. But this particular one is gorgeous. I love the dark colour of the green and all the different little plants. And then it has the elastic. Inside it is a standard A5 3-ring binder. So you can buy inserts that like this, that are made by them, that fit into it. And there's one that's solid on each side, and then this one that has a pocket of 2 on one side and a full pocket on the other. But you could also get any particular ones because it is the standard size and it should fit them. Belief in yourself. Ooh, paper clips. So Monstera. That must be the name of the plant. I'm not green fingered, I apologise. But it's little paper clips that are green in the shape of the Monstera or whatever it is pronounced like. And you get 6. Right, number 9, we have a purple background, a little plant. Oh, I wonder what that is. We've already had a shaker charm, so. Oh, it's a key ring. That is gorgeous. So that's what it looks like. Hold on, let me take this off. So that is really gorgeous. It's like a pewter metal rather than it being bright silver, which I love. And then you have your larger plant. It's hefty. It's really good quality. It's not like really lightweight and something that would be easily breakable. And then you have a little tiny leaf up at the top. Number 10, we have another larger box. And it... Ooh, any guesses? I cannot guess at all. Oh, look! Oh, it's like a little bag, mini version of the bigger plant. I kind of want to just set him beside the bigger one, or set it somewhere else on the shelf and not actually use it as a, like connecting it to a bag, because you have this to make it for keys, and you have this lobster clasp to hook it to a bag, which is really handy to have the option. But I honestly think I'm going to tuck this back here and set it somewhere else. And it says they keep growing Hubman and Chubgirl on the back. It's exactly the same as a freebie earlier. Just a little mini one. 11, we're on to next. I'm guessing that this is larger sticker sheets. You're unbelievable. Either that or a kit. Larger sticker sheets, I was right the first time. It would be cool if there was a kit in it. Although they do have plant kits, and everything in here does go with their other plant themes that they've released so far, so you could mix and match, which I think is brilliant. Anyway, so we have Keep Growing, Belief in Yourself, and Just One More Plant. 12. Hang in there. Another thicker one. Absolutely no guesses as to what it is. Socks! They are ankle socks. Like the attention to detail on everything. There's not one part of it that isn't themed. So they're like a tan colour with green accents, and then, hold on, I'll put my hand into it so you can see. It has the little plant. Oh, they're really comfy. Really nice feeling. There, so a little pair of socks. 13, another thicker one. Oh, this must be a plain notebook as opposed to like the weekly desk pad style. Oh no, it's not. It's little greeting cards. So again, these are really good quality. They're really thick envelopes, the brown craft paper style with a gold Hubman and Chubgirl, and then you get You're Unbelievable blank on the inside, and that's the back. Just Keep Growing, and Belief in Yourself. 14 is another big box. I Believe in You. Any guesses as to what this is? Oh, tote bag, I think. I have a bit of a collection now of their tote bags, and I always bring them shopping with me. Oh, but this is a different size. Normally the ones I've had are quite long. This is more kind of, I don't know, landscape. They're really good quality. Sorry, it's hard to get that in the frame. So that's what the top looks like. Hanging plants and shelf plants. And it says Just One More Plant. And then it has green straps, and then the bottom looks like this, all the potted plants sitting on the floor, and the back is exactly the same by the looks of it, yeah. And then quite a lot of the time there's one I have, I think it was the B one actually. It has a zip pocket on the outside and a pocket on the inside, so I use it in lieu of a handbag. I don't even bring a handbag, I just bring it, and then when I buy things I can put it in it, and then maybe inside it I'll put 1 or 2 other bags if I buy other stuff like Christmas shopping and stuff. And I'll be doing the same with this. This is a really good size and wide. And then last but not least, oh, this is heavy. This has to be the journal, I bet you, because I don't think I've ever opened a advent that didn't have a journal. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that, but I don't think so. Oh, and you open this one from the side. So the back is green, and then plain here with the little purple pot with the plant. And it says 15, Keep Growing. Yeah, oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I do have another coffee themed journal to use for washy swatches whenever my first one runs out. But I will definitely find a use for this, or just hoarding it and displaying it because that is gorgeous. So their journals are A5. They are soft bound. That's a lovely feeling. Belief in Yourself with the same scene that's actually on the bag, I think. And then this is gold here. It's 160 dot grid pages and it's 150 GSM, and it's lay flat. So that's just, I know you maybe aren't seeing the dots or it's picking it up for you guys, but you can see them in person. And then they always have two ribbons. So this one is a light green one and a dark green one. And then at the back there is a pocket keeping stuff, dark green pen lip, and then you get a band to hold it shut here. And then that's what the back looks like. I absolutely loved every second of that. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much again to Hubman and Chubgirl for reaching out to me to offer me this opportunity. I hope you all enjoyed seeing everything and all the goodies. And don't forget, if you've never used my code, make sure you use it and get a discount on your purchase if you're going to get it. But anyway, yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and take care, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but